Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at the Manage Products page. This page is divided into three sections. The first at the top right is the search section, followed by the product listing section right at the center here, and last but not least the actions section. Alright, this is where all the major features are. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Let's begin by logging into your store. Click Products on the left menu, followed by Manage Products. Head over to the Search section, and you'll notice that there are 10 records being displayed on the page. Alright, 10 records or 10 product listings. Okay, just to confirm, 10. So you can increase the number of products being displayed by simply altering the figure here and clicking Show, and you will see 15 products. Okay, so if you want to display all your products, simply click All Records, click Show, and you'll see the number of products you actually have, which on this desktop there are 50. Click Show again, and all the products will be displayed. Okay, there you go. Now, I do not advise or suggest you use this feature to display all your products if you have an enormous number of products to display, right? So if you've got, like, say 100 products, fine, but if you've got a few hundred, a few thousand, to display all your products will take time, right, to load everything, right? So spread them over a few pages if you have many products to display. So let's go on to do an actual search. Okay, this is the normal search we're doing. I'm just going to search for this product, Redoxon. I'm going to click the magnifying glass icon here, and there you go. Right, so this is based on the search settings listed here. Okay, these are the filters. Okay, so you can search by name, product or manufacturer number, product title, keywords, and so on. Right. So next, let's try the advanced search. Okay, advanced search has more filters, so you can search by product name, product ID, manufacturer number, categories. If you forget the category, you can search from the drop-down menu right here. Alright, and here are a few more filters: product type, inventory type, and so on. And also, you can also search by suppliers actually, right? Like, say, Burke Paint Supplies. Let's do a search. Okay, so these are all the products by Burke Paint Supplies. Let's do, let's say, deactivated products by Burke Paint Supplies. I can tell you now that there's none, because these are all the products here right now. But just let's say you're doing a search for deactivated products by Burke Paint Supplies. Let's do a search. There should be none. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, but let's try for the whole store. Okay, deactivated products for the whole store. Let's do a search. See if there's any. Oh yes, there's one here. All right. Now let's move on to the product listing section of the page. Now you notice that the information is displayed within several columns. Now the column to the far left of the page consists of selectable checkboxes, which you can select individually, or if you choose to, just select the checkbox right at the top, and you notice that all the products, all the checkboxes below it have been selected. Now you usually use this feature in conjunction with the action buttons or action links at the bottom right of the page. Okay, more on that later. Right, so next column displays the product IDs or PIDs. Right, these are clickable links, so you click on one and you'll end up on the admin version of your product page. Right, you notice right at the top there are shortcut links, so you can publish, edit page, deactivate this product. So let's just click on modify, and you end up on the modify page, right? So where you can modify your product or update your product information. Okay, so next is the cross-sell items link. It's self-explanatory. If you want to cross-sell a product, just click this. I'll put a link in the description to a tutorial that will teach you how to do it. It's really, really simple. Okay, now if you want to update or modify your product name right here, you can just click the edit link, and voila, very easy. The same with the manufacturer number. You have one, right? If you have one, or if you want to update an existing one, you just click on it. All right, and there you go. You want to update product price, it can be done here as well. Very simple. Okay, so the next column displays the cumulative stock for a product, right? So as you can see in the column next to it, this product has options. Now cumulative means that this is a total of all the stock for the different options that you have for this product. All right, and this also tells you that you're using inventory control, okay, stock inventory control for this product. Now if you want to activate or deactivate your product, you can by simply clicking this edit link here, clicking no and save. Now when would you want to use this? Probably some merchants, you might encounter a problem with a batch, okay, a batch you have received. So temporarily you want to deactivate it. You don't want to permanently delete this product, because maybe a new batch will come in to replenish the existing problematic stock. So temporarily you can deactivate your product right here. Now please take note that all these changes, if you want it to be active or to be reflected on your public store, you need to publish the changes. Okay, all right, that's it. Let's move on to this area right here, which contains the action buttons and action menu. Okay, right, so there are 4 obvious ones right here which allow you to activate, deactivate, modify your product, and also delete your product, right? But before you go ahead and click on any one of these buttons, be sure to select the product first. All right, because if you go ahead and do click a button before selecting a product, you will see this prompt, okay, to request you to select a product to modify. Okay, now let's look at the first action link, which is to shift products. Now this feature allows you to shift a product from one category to another. So just in case when you added a product, you put it in a wrong category by mistake, you can correct it this way. All right, so select the product, select the shift products from the menu, click go, and select the category you want this product to go to. So currently it's in the sports shoes subcategory, right? So you know, just for an example to show you how it works, I'm going to shift it to the bags category. All right, I'm going to now click the shift selected products to category button, right? So it's not going to be on the public site. Okay, it's only going to be on the admin site unless you publish the changes. All right, so this is the admin site. So let's check the sports merchandise and sports shoes category to see whether it's there. Okay, it's not there, so let's go to bags. It should be in bags. So there it is, right? So now let's look at the next action link. Now let's look at the link products feature. Now this feature allows you to place products in different categories on your store. Now why would you want to use this feature? Now for example, let's say you're selling breakfast cereals, right, which is also vegan friendly. So you can place this product in a breakfast cereal category and also a vegan category, right? So you see where I'm going with this? Okay, so now let's see how to get this done, right? So select link products and then select a product. All right, or you can select a product first and then select link products. It will work just fine. Okay, then click go. Okay, now we're gonna place this a product right here in breakfast needs. Remember, it's in bags, right? It's in bags. We shifted it to bags, so we want to place it in both bags and breakfast needs. So we're going to link this product to breakfast needs as well. So click link selected products to categories button, and let's check it out. Okay, let's just check whether it's in bags still. Yes, it is. And then breakfast needs, and there it is. Now the next question would be, how do I unlink the products? All right, just click on the product and click modify. Okay, right, click modify. Basically you just want to get to the modify product page. Okay, and then look for the place in category unlink link. All right, you can see the both categories here, right? Place in, there may be more depending on how many categories you've linked that product to. So select the category you want to remove the product from. Perhaps I want to select unselect breakfast needs. Click this, click close, click modify product, and let's take a look at the store whether it's still in breakfast needs. It's no longer there. Alright, so that's how you do it. Now let's look at a feature that could possibly save you a lot of time. It's called the duplicate products feature. You use this feature when you want to add a new product to your store which shares similar or very similar product details to an existing product. Alright, so let's use this as an example. Alright, just select this product, select duplicate products from the list, click go, select a destination category. I'm going to select bags, click duplicate product here. Alright, so this product is being added, and so let's say the only difference between the two products is either the picture and also possibly the name. Usually it's the name, right? So maybe let's call this a limited edition. Yeah. Okay. Get a bit of a space here, and that's about it. The price remains the same. The description is the same. All right. So let's just view on the store. It's in the bags category, I think. All right. Let's go to bags. So there should be two. All right. So you'll see one that's limited edition, and then one that's the usual one. So if you want to update the price or even the image, you can. But most of the hard work is already done. And as you've seen, I've completed that new product in just what, less than a minute. So give it a try. All right. So let's move on to the next feature. Now let's learn how to put your products on sale. So go ahead and select a couple of products first, right? Then at the choose an action menu, select put products on sale and click go. All right. Okay, let's just enlarge this window here. So there are a couple of things you need to do. Firstly, you need to set an on sale date or duration, right? So you can do this by setting a blanket on sale date, or you can do it individually. So let's go ahead and do a blanket one first, right? Okay, so I will keep the start date the same, which is 19th, which is today's date, right? And I'm going to set an end date. Okay, just confirm, right? Click this, click 31st, and click apply. Now notice the dates here will change, right? Right, so you see, so this is a blanket setting, but you can also do it individually. Like for example, you have a group of products that begin and end at one date, and when that campaign ends, the next group of products will go on sale. All right, so in this case, I'm going to start the next campaign when this the last campaign ends, which is on the 31st July. So let's say I'm going to set it to August 1st, right? August 1st, and I'm going to select the end of August for this campaign to end. Next thing you got to do is got to set the on sale price, which in this case I'm going to give it a 25% discount to 150 and 10% discount here to 45. Okay, so last but not least, you got to remember to select these products. Okay, you can select individually, or you can click the topmost to select all, topmost checkbox to select all the checkboxes below it, and then click the on sale button, right? So since we're here, let's go through a couple of things, right? So you can set your whole store on sale. All right, you can set your whole category on sale, or you can set individual products on sale. Okay, the process is the same. Okay, if you put all your products on sale, you still have to set a on sale date as well as the on sale price, same with categories and so on, right? So next, you can also modify existing on sale products. Okay, right? Fetch products, so you'll fetch all the products which are on sale. This is the one we just added, right? PID 51 and PID 48, the shoe and the bag, right? So you can do this, or rather you would modify your current on sale products if you need to change or reschedule the sale dates, right? The start and end dates, or the make any amendments to the on sale price. Okay, but remember, if you do make any changes, select the products accordingly and click the modify on sale. All right, next is to delete. Now to delete does not mean you're gonna delete the items from the store. It just means you're going to remove the items from the on sale list. That's all. Okay, and if you have a long list of products to put on sale, or you have prepared a list, you can also upload it here. All right, you can download a sample text file. Okay, make the changes there, put in the product name or PID, what all the requirements, the duration of the on sale date, and also the on sale price, and then you can upload it here. Okay, for some it's easier, especially if a lot of products on sale. Okay, right, so we're not going to go to the on sale image because this pertains more to the older templates, right? So let's check out the products which are on sale. In admin mode, I'm going to click view store here and just go on sale. Okay, right, so these are the products here, right? Now your front page comes with two pieces of code by default. Okay, the first displays new products or products which have been set to new. All right, so more information about this in a separate tutorial. I'll include the link in the description. Okay, so the second piece of code displays front page products. Okay, now many merchants will ask us to remove the first piece of code which displays new products. Okay, why? Because front page products, you can actually choose which products to display and when. Okay, so let's get deeper into this. So let's go ahead and put a couple of products in your front page product listing, right? So I've gone ahead and selected around 8 products, and I've made sure that these products do not already appear in the new products listing, okay, on your front page, right? Make sure, as you can see, they are not repeated here. Okay, right, so once you've selected your products, go ahead to the choose an action menu and select put products on front page. Okay, then click go. Right, so if you've already added on sale products, you will be familiar with this layout. The tabs over here similar. Okay, they're similar, right? So now you have the opportunity to display products on your front page listing at different dates, so your front page will look fresh. You know, it's like say you set one group of 4 products to appear this week, and then the next group of 4 products to appear next week. Okay, so you can set the dates here, the start and end date, right? And if you leave the end date untouched, just as it is, it will go on until, let's say, 2023, right? Like 31st December 2023. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it as it is, right? I'm going to select all these products to appear on the front page. I'm going to add to front page. Okay, so that's done. And as usual, just like the when you add on sale products, you can modify existing front page products. Say you want to remove some, or you want to modify the start and end date, you can. All right, you can delete, and as usual, delete does not mean you delete the products from the store. It means you delete the product from your front page listing. And there's an extra feature, arrange products. Okay, so we've got 8 products here, so you can arrange it. Let's move all of it to this side. You can select one by one. Yes, you can select one by one, any which way. Okay, so the priority goes to this. This is a priority listing. That means you can still arrange the order of which I will display it. So Skippy will appear first, followed by what is this? Nero Organic Jams, right? And followed by the rest of the listings here. Okay, so if you want to select and arrange all of this, you can. Okay, just click this, all of it go over, and you can again move any one. You can arrange the order of any of the products here. Okay, let's say I'll move this to last and go to save arrangement. Okay, save, and that's done. So let's look what it looks like. So there they are. Okay, so that's easy enough. Let's move on to the next feature. Right, let's look at the other common features or favorite features we have here. All right, we'll skip a couple and move to the next favorite one, which is this, view product stock online. Okay, because I know that cross-sell products is quite popular, but we already have a video on that. All right, and view or modify reviews is quite straightforward. Also, I have a video on that. Right, so let's go to view product stock online. Okay, let's. In order for this to work, you'll need to select a product which has inventory control turned on, right? So this one, you can choose this or the one with options. This one, of course, no, because it says no, right? Doesn't have inventory controls turned on. But logically speaking, you want to choose ones with options, okay? Because this actually is the total stock for all the options. So you want to see a breakdown. You don't have to use it for this product, because you can see this one doesn't have options. All right, so you can see the stock amount right here. Okay, so you don't have to use this feature for this product. And let's try this one. Okay, select this. Okay, click go, and here's the breakdown. Right, so you can see for size 9 you have 7 units, size 8 5, and size 10 3 units. Okay, so that's how it works. So next on the list is modifies product stock online. Okay, but for this you have to select a product which does not have options. Okay, all right, so if you want to modify a product with stock options, you have to go into the product. Okay, the modify product page, and scroll to options, and then you modify from there. All right, so let's click OK here. Okay, right. Okay, so looks like I've accidentally selected 2 products. Is that true? Yes, I accidentally selected the socks also, so you have 2 products there. Okay, right, so you can set it to a certain amount. In this case, this product count, I'm going to set it to 30, and maybe I want to use this and set it to, no, not set it, but add. So the current amount is 25. I want to add, say, 3, so it will be 28. Let's see whether it works or not. Okay, so that's done. Let's check the socks and this. Right, so I have 5 to refresh. Okay, yes, 28, and this socks added 5, right? So it's 30. Okay, so it works, right? So next on the list is, okay, so if you want to download the inventory details, you can click this and you'll download all your inventory details for all your products, or you can select products which you want to download inventory details for. Okay, and use the download selected inventory details. Okay, so this is a curious, these are 2 curious features, right? Generate PDF brochure for all products. Okay, well, these features were used a long time ago when certain customers require you to print your brochure and send it to them. Perhaps they didn't have, or they weren't online. Okay, so you had to print the brochure out and send it to them. They made the order through it, and then they send it back to you with some authorization. They had to sign the brochure, right? So it's not really in use right now, but that's a bit of history. Okay, that tells you how long we've been around, right? Okay, so the next one is download all product details or download selected product details. Okay, this allows you to keep a record of your products. Okay, basically that's that. So you can either select the products you want to keep a file on, or you can set all your products. Okay, this is the easier method. Okay, select all your products. Okay, for example, let's just use this example, these 2 products. Okay, so I want to save the details for these 2 products. Okay, I'm going to download selected product details here. Click go. Okay, as you can see, you can choose which format you want to. Excel is quite popular, but I personally, because I have a store with InstanteStore also, I use this. Okay, text delimited format, and depending on what kind of information you want, you can choose to have basic all the way to advanced all. Now you can see these changes. Advanced all has so many columns, right? And basic has a few, but that depends again on what products you have. If your products has a limited amount of information, basic would suffice. So let's download. All right, right click, save link as. All right, and I'm going to change this to all files. Okay, and I'm going to overwrite this file, or maybe not. I'm going to choose, I'm going to add the number 2 here. All right, number 2 here, and notice I'm changing the format from TXT to CSV. Right, CSV. I'm going to save it. Okay, I'm going to save it, and I'm going to open it here. I'm using Open Office Calc. I'm going to open it. Where's the file? Okay, there it is. Okay, text delimiter. I'm going to choose double quotes and click OK. So this is what it looks like. So imagine all the products listed here, the PIDs, the product name, the price, right? So you have a record of it, okay? All of it here. Okay, you can actually use this file and upload it to modify your products in bulk, okay? But that's for another video, right? Okay, I'm just going to close this window. And now, to a feature that's well, quite popular recently, because a lot of merchants have been asking us about it. How do you generate a barcode on your store? Okay, so for this, I'm going to use this example. I'm going to look for peanut butter. Okay, let's look for peanut butter first. Okay, so I'm going to use this example here. Okay, Skippies. Okay, so I'm going to get the barcode first. I've actually copied this and pasted it in here. This site here is called barcodelist.com. Okay, and you can actually confirm this with your supplier. So I'm going to choose this. All right, I'm going to copy it. Right, and in order for this this to work, you need to enter this information somewhere on your add modify product page. I'm going to show you in a bit. Okay, because if you go and try to generate the barcode first without the information, this is what's going to happen. You see, you're going to get this. Okay, Skippy Chunky Peanut Butter. You must have a value in one of these fields. So manufacturer number, SKU, MPN, UPC, EN. Okay, so if these fields are empty, you won't see anything here. Okay, so let me just show you. All right, so you go modify product first. So if you don't see these fields available, no, don't worry. Just go and click advanced products settings, and yeah, I want to enter in the EAN, but I'm going to turn the rest of the fields on. UPC, right? Okay, so that's that. So it should be here already, right there. UPC, MPN, EAN, manufacturer number or SKU. I'm going to put it, I think, in the MPN field here. Okay, I'm going to modify product, and you must publish the changes. If not, you won't appear there. Okay, so you got to publish the changes. Right, so that's done, published. I'm going to go back and I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, so I'm going to select this again, scroll down and click generate barcode and click go. Right, so now you see everything here. You can choose to display the image or not. Okay, these are the information you can display along with the barcode. All right, so then you can go ahead and print it. Right, so that's how that's done. See you in another video.